What's up YouTube, everybody watching this video? In today's video, I'm going over how to use keywords everywhere for YouTube. Now, is it worth it? Because now it's a paid tool. In about a minute, I'm going to jump over, share my screen, and show you exactly how I use keywords everywhere to find the right keywords to title my videos and optimize my YouTube videos and channel for. So we're gonna jump in and show that. But if you're new to my channel and you like business tutorials, just like this one right over the shoulder, if you like business advice from experience, if you like personal development stuff, then I suggest you click that subscribe button right now, click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. I put out a weekly video and I always try to add a lot of value. So if you're already my subscriber, you're active on YouTube, you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, even if you're new, this is going to be a great tutorial because this tool is a tool I use. So let's jump into it now. Okay, so to get keywords everywhere, you're just going to go over to Google and type in keywords everywhere. And it's a Chrome extension, so you just click on this and it'll say install for Chrome, install for Firefox. So you just pick what you want and then it will download. Once this is in, you'll actually have this little icon up here with the K. So I'm going to click on this, see keywords everywhere. I keep it off when I'm not using it only because now you're paying for credits. When it used to be free, it was unlimited. You could search and look for keywords and you didn't run out of credits. So now that I actually purchased credits, and they're very cheap, we'll go over that, I keep it off unless I want to start doing keyword research. So let's say I wanted to start doing keyword research. I would just click this on and then you'll see this becomes blue and red, the color up here too on your icon, keywords everywhere. So now I'm ready to use it. So what I would do is go back over to Google and let's make a search. So let's say I have a YouTube channel and I'm just giving you an example about yoga. Maybe you know a lot about yoga, you're trying to build your channel around that. Okay, I just want you to get in this mindset of whatever you're going to build your channel around, you want to be very specific to those type of topics. So if it was around yoga, I might start searching in Google maybe 5 best yoga poses for, you see how they start also using, I love Google Suggest. It starts suggesting what I'm looking for. 5 best yoga poses for runners. This gives me ideas by them suggesting 5 best yoga poses for lower back pain. These are all great, and I call them long tail. The longer they are, usually the less competitive, so it's good. So I'm going to try 5 best yoga poses for beginners. And you'll notice here, this is what Keywords Everywhere does. Underneath the search bar, you see how it says volume? I'm highlighting it, 20/MO. That means on average 20 people a month search this, which is good. I like to look for any type of search volume, especially if you're just starting off with YouTube and you're looking for YouTube ideas and keywords to generate traffic. And when you generate traffic, what happens is if you're giving good information, you build your YouTube subscribers. So this is where it all starts with, is generating the right keywords. So this is how I use Keywords Everywhere, and that's why I love Keywords Everywhere, even the paid version. So this is giving me a volume saying 20 people a month search it. Now, what I'll say is this, if you're a beginner and you don't have subscribers or you only have a few hundred, I suggest that you look for keywords that get searched around 10 to about 200 times per month. You don't want to be going for keywords that are in the thousands because that means it's very competitive. So for an example, best yoga poses. If we just went for best yoga poses, 2,400 a month, I would not try to go for that yet. I wouldn't just try to like really go in and try to get that. That's going to be competitive. So we add the number 5, we look at suggested terms, and this starts giving you some ideas to make a lot of videos around 5 best yoga poses for runners, 5 best yoga poses for beginners. I mean, I'm not in the yoga niche, but I would be eating all this up and really doing my research like this. Keywords Everywhere is showing me 20 searches per month, and then also related keywords. Keywords Everywhere will give me related keywords. And I'll take these and I'll put them in a Google spreadsheet as well, because when I tag my video and optimize it, I want to see if these are really good maybe to use as my tags to optimize my video for other terms. And when I'm writing my description, maybe I want to add some of these terms in there too. The main thing I'm looking for is there some search volume around it and how much? Again, this is just a software tool, and from my experience, this is not 100% accurate, but it does give you a nice base to start with. That's why I like to use Keywords Everywhere. It also gives you some related keywords, and then it also puts here, people are also searched for yoga poses for back pain, yoga for beginners online. So like if I'm going for top 5 yoga poses for beginners and they're telling me related search terms is yoga for beginners online, I'll probably take this, put it in a Google document. This way I know when I go to optimize my video, the tags, and if you don't know what that means, I have another YouTube video. I'll link it down below in the description where I go over tagging your YouTube video to help you rank higher, which in all gets you more traffic and could grow your subscriber list. So definitely check out that video as well. But I put these related searches and what people also search for in a document. But the first thing I want to start off with is looking over here at the volume. Okay, 10, good. Again, if I'm a beginner in YouTube and I don't have over 2,000 or 3,000 subscribers, I'm only looking for about 10 to 100 to 200 max search volume because I don't want it to be too competitive. So I'm going to go over to YouTube now and I'm going to just search this in YouTube. And I also have another tool plugged in which I use alongside of Keywords Everywhere, and it's called TubeBuddy. If you're interested about a tutorial on TubeBuddy and how I use it to optimize and rank my videos, just make a comment down below and just ask me, hey, I would like to see the TubeBuddy tutorial, and I'll do that as well. If there's enough interest, I'll definitely make that tutorial as well because it works great hand in hand with Keywords Everywhere. So when you're in YouTube, you also can see the search volume right here. It's going to show you exactly the same thing. 10 searches a month, right? And then I also go along with TubeBuddy to see if I'm going to be able to compete for this. But this is a great term to start off with. If you have a yoga channel, this would be a great term because it falls in the range of it's showing some search volume. It's nice long-tailed. If you could get yourself on page 1 of YouTube and start ciphering some of this traffic from some of the competitors' channels, you're definitely going to grow a following. So that's what we start looking at. Again, I do this alongside of TubeBuddy as well, but Keywords Everywhere, the main thing we're looking for is their search volume. Now we'll look into how the credits work with Keywords Everywhere. So I'm going to come into credits, purchase additional credits. So this would be the credits. I bought $10 and you get 100,000 credits. And again, this is affordable. My current credits, and I bought this probably maybe 3 weeks ago, I added another $10 and I still have 98,381 credits. Now you might be thinking, how does a credit work? Every time I search a keyword, 1 credit goes away. So 98,381. If I go search another keyword right now, so let's put yoga poses for beginners. I search this. We're going to come back here. Let's refresh this. And you see it jump down to 80 instead of 81. So you have a lot of credits for very affordable. 10 bucks, 100,000. Even if you were doing 100,000 keyword searches per month, which I doubt you will, it would only be $10 per month. So it's a no-brainer, even though they turned it into a paid tool. I kind of understand because it's been free for so long and everybody's been using it. If you're doing search engine optimization, optimizing websites, looking for keyword research, it was a great free tool. It was unbelievable. But now that they made it paid, it's still unbelievable. So I suggest that you use this tool. It's well worth the $10. You're getting 100,000 credits, and think about it. Every time you search a keyword, you just lose a credit. So it just goes down. And what I suggest you do, a little tip, is when you're just browsing the internet, and let's say you're just shopping on Amazon or doing things, come up to this icon and turn it off. Because now if I search and it's off, remember I'm at the 80, we'll go for poses for beginners. We'll come back here. It's still going to be at 80 because Keywords Everywhere is off. You see it's off. So if you could remember to get into that formula, you're only going to be use it when you're doing your research. You're definitely going to have that 100,000 credits last very long. It's well worth it. Even 50 bucks, 500,000 credits if you are always doing research. If you have clients like myself and you're doing research for clients, if you're doing coaching, then maybe you want to buy this and just keep it in there. 50 bucks, 500,000 credits, that will probably last you a year if you're spending the 50 bucks. So is it worth it? Yes. But the main thing we're focusing on how to use Keywords Everywhere for YouTube is looking for some search volume, making sure that if you don't have that many subscribers and you're a new channel, that you are, one, focusing on keywords that always are niche relevant to your channel. You're optimizing your channel. Again, if you don't know how to optimize your channel, look at my videos on my YouTube channel about optimizing your channel. I have a video on that as well. You want to optimize and be very niche specific with your channel, and you want to start pumping out videos around and optimizing them around a whole bunch of keywords that are very niche relevant. So all of these suggested terms, top 5 yoga poses for a beginner, 5 best yoga poses for beginners, you want to make a list of these keyword terms. I use a Google document, and then I'll go in and optimize and tag my video, write a nice description around it. And when I'm doing my keywords everywhere for YouTube search, I just want to make sure that the volume in the beginning is not very high. Now, if you have 10,000, 20,000 subscribers, and maybe you still don't know about this trick about optimizing and being very specific, because there is channels out there that have been around for 5, 6, 7 years, and they have 10,000, 20,000 subscribers, and they don't realize the power that if they've been doing this formula for as long as that time has been, they'd probably be at 100,000 subscribers. If you have 10 or 20,000 subscribers and you're now trying to optimize your videos even better and you're interested in keywords everywhere, I highly suggest it. And at that point, with 10 or 20,000 subscribers, if you have a very niche specific channel, come into Google, turn on keywords everywhere. Again, it's $10 for 100,000 credits. It will last you very long. And start looking for higher search volume. I would actually maybe go for yoga poses for beginners, because if you have 10,000, 20,000 subscribers, you can actually compete. Let me turn back on keywords everywhere. And notice when the keywords everywhere is not on, you're not going to be able to see the search volume. Turn it back on. Now we'll see the search volume. Okay, so 22,200 searches per month. This is going to be a competitive term, right? And if you're a beginner, I don't suggest you go for this. I suggest you go for something long-tailed, which is a variation where we're adding keyword terms and we're letting Google suggest 5 best yoga poses for beginners. That's why I told you to start here, because that only has 20 searches a month. But if you're going for yoga poses for beginners, look at this, 22,000. Work your way up to that type of video when you get to 10,000 subscribers or more. But if you have 10,000 subscribers or more, start making both videos. Make these competitive ones, because you have a better chance, especially if you're niche focused. You have 20,000 engaged subscribers or 10,000 engaged subscribers. Definitely start looking for the higher volume. Look for related keywords. Look for what people also search for. You could take some of these keywords and then click on them, and it will open up in here. Let's see, 7 yoga poses, 50 searches per month. Maybe you want to make 7 yoga poses for beginners, right? You could start mixing it up. But I just want to show you keywords everywhere is worth it. It's worth the investment. This is how we use it, just to make sure there's a little bit of search volume around the keywords. And then again, I'm using it alongside. I bring it into YouTube. You also see the same exact information when you're in YouTube, so you can just type it in YouTube as well. You can see the competitors that are here, but I'm also using it alongside TubeBuddy. After I get a gauge that there is some search volume, then I go alongside with TubeBuddy to see if I can compete and see if they suggest any other ideas like this, related searches. If you want to see a tutorial on TubeBuddy, again, comment down below and I'll make that as well, and then I'll show you how I use them alongside each other. Again, this is keywords everywhere. Is it worth it? Yes. And this is how I'm using it for YouTube to get keyword ideas to optimize my videos around. I hope that tutorial helped you out. I went step by step and I showed you why I actually pay for the tool now. I actually use keywords everywhere almost every day. It's at an affordable price. So yes, I think it's well worth it. And this is how I use it for my YouTube videos, for my clients' YouTube videos. I hope this tutorial helped. If you did like it, please click the like button. Also, if you know any other entrepreneurs, business people out there, people that you think should be active on YouTube, please share this video with anyone you think that this could help out. And again, if you like this type of business information, click the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.